Kami nga po pala, ang The Honest Speaking 3 na Pateros, Metro Manila.
Masigla Street, Masigla Complex. Ito nga po pala si ang pinakamaskulado, pinakaat sa aming grupo. At si Don ang pinakapogi, pinakamatalino sa aming grupo. At ako, ang kanilang vokalista, si Ace. Here we go.
Guwapo! Hot!
This is your show. This is your time.
It's showtime. 1, 2, 3. When my rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me home. Like a flower bending in the breeze, there with me, sway me. Like the ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me. The dancers may be on the floor, yeah, but my eyes will see your view. Only you have the magic in me. When we sway, I will be, yeah, like the lazy ocean moves the shore. Oh, sway more. When we dance, have a way with me. Sway with me, sway with me. The dancers may be on the floor, here but my eyes will see your view. Only you have the magic in me. When we sway, I can feel. La la la
Sabla!
Thank you.
Thank you!
Woo!